I feel like healthcare aid is the heart of this facility, because without healthcare aid, like a body, when the heart of the body is not function, that's how we feel here. In your heart, from your heart, if you take care of the people, it's not all about money. This kind of job is all about heart. It's all about the passion. It's all about that you really love this work, because if you don't really love this work, your patience is just like done. And I remember that time in my childhood that I really loved my grandpa. So sometimes my compassion and my passion to them, I treat them like my own family. That's the reason why I stay in this facility and I stay this kind of job, because of the heart, straight from the heart, the compassion that I have. I'm so proud that a part of this facility, Optimal Living, and I'm proud to be as an employee of this facility. And many times I attempt to like, maybe I'm stopped, I'm done work, and then I'm still here. I'm still here. It means that my heart belongs here. As long I am kicking and alive, I'm still here.